Just one more quick one. I thought this was kind of interesting. Kind of goes back to the idea of this being or having sort of inlets and outlets. I'm going to draw a sketch, just a real simple line here, and I'm going to create an XY plot. And for that sketch, I just want to know the velocity in the X direction. X is left to right. And so I'm going to say show, and it creates a really kind of nice, simple, but also really visual graph. So the velocity for the first handful is very low, right? Out is negative, in is positive, and so actually it ends up being maybe not 3 and 4. I'll have to figure out kind of what the direction is, which way is top and bottom, but you get some really good information here on this plot, and you can kind of even see some of the vortexes and where exactly in the cross-section do you see the movement. You even see the developed flow. Look at that. You see developed flow going in one direction versus the other direction is a different cross-sectional velocity. So pretty cool. All right, so we'll click OK on that. I've got a lot of data now,